Okay, so this is a second video on installing themes that I just wanted to do quickly because actually I had an idea that there's another way to do this that does make your life a bit easier, but it's not something I do, and I suspect it's probably not something that most people do, but it is here if you want it. So I found a theme. It's called Newsmag. So if you want to do this, just search for Newsmag. Go up to Add News, search for Newsmag, and then install it and activate it. Okay. Now look down here, and you'll see. Look at the left-hand side, and you'll see a thing saying about Newsmag. So if we click on that, and then you have a set of actions to do. So look at this. We do the recommended actions. So let's remind ourselves that at the moment, this is what my website looks like. Okay. Let's just get rid of that. Let's just get rid of that one there. Actually, I don't know why I did that. Ignore that bit. This is what my website looks like at the moment. Now, if we go here, it's got recommended things to do. So let me show you this because it's quite interesting, and also it shows you how great WordPress is because it does so much for you. So activate. Okay. So now we need to go back to, don't just keep going along here and keep going back to About Newsmag. We've got 3 things more to do, so let's install this one. Okay. And let's activate that. Go back to here. Download theme, head over to now here you see, because I don't do this very often, I don't know exactly what's going to happen here. Let's see what happens if I do this. Okay, so alright, let's put that. Hang on. Cancel. Let's try this. No. Okay, so what you have to do here. Alright, so let's go back to posts. So we've got to do this in steps. So let's put this here. I mean, it's not somewhere where I'd normally put it, but we're going to put it here for the time being. And we've got to do the same with the widgets. So let's put them in the same place. Okay. So we've done that. Now import posts. So we now have to choose the file. Well, let's choose the file that we just, this one. Okay. No idea what's going to happen here. Let's see. Upload and import. This is what's so good about WordPress, though. You can do something like this and just import. You see, you can just import attachments. I have no idea what that is. Let's just do that and see what happens. This is sorry, what I was going to say is this is what's so good about this WordPress system, is that you can really do whatever you like and it doesn't matter. I mean, I'm installing all the stuff. I'm going to get rid of it after this. I'm just doing this to show you. There's obviously taking a little bit of time to do it. if it takes too long, I'll just cut some of this out. So there you have it. I did cut a little bit out of this video. It took a little bit longer. So let's see. If we go here, let's see what's happened. And there you are, look at that. So, I mean, these are you've got things imported. See how this works? Isn't that pretty cool, isn't it, when you think about it? I mean, I've been playing on WordPress a long time, and it does, you know, it is good because it does continually get better, and so, you know, it really is quite great how good WordPress is, the way it's such a helpful thing. So let's import the widgets as well. There you are. Wow, that was quick. Again, I don't really know what those widgets do, but like I said, there's the great thing about WordPress is it doesn't, you know, look at my site, it's not broken, it's working. If we click on this, there you are, we've got a post. Does it actually say stuff? Now remember that this stuff is not going to be very good because, well, for a start, Google will think that it's scraped content, which it is. So it won't have any value. You've got to change all this and make it so that it's right for your website. Look, we've got 8 comments there. So you've actually got comments you can put in. Doesn't actually say any. It doesn't say anything in these comments, mind you. Okay, so there you are. You've got stuff you can just play around with. Now, I'm not saying this is necessarily right for you. Remember that, please. But I just wanted to show you that we've still got stuff to do on here. What recommended actions have we got left? Set a front page. That's right, because this is better as a front page. So look, at the moment we've got this. Now, let's see if we set this automatically. Now, let's see what happens now. Okay, this is the front page. And there you go. Okay. Pretty cool, actually, isn't it? I mean, it looks like a real website because it really is a real website. So now all this stuff you'd have to change, but look at that. In less than 10 minutes, I've got a complete website set up. How cool is that? All right. Now you're going to have to fix these with categories and things like that. But like I said, there you have it. All right. So that was just a second video to show you really how you can use WordPress in so many ways to help you. And it's up to you. I have to say I do quite like this. It's no use. This is very much a news website. It's absolutely no use for what I want to do, so I will have to uninstall everything. But as I said, it is very, very nice and definitely well worth you thinking about if you just want to do something quick and easy to do. But remember, you must change the content. Google will not recognize any of this content as valid. All right. So if that's important to you, you will need to change it. All right. Thanks very much for watching. That's all I'm going to do. And I'll speak to you in the next video when we're going to look at what we've done. Well, customizing. We're going to look at customizing the website. All right. So I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.